crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and thanks so much for stopping by. Today I have my Gina K purchase from this month, which includes the new kit for November 2024, and I have a couple other goodies in here, so I wanted to show you what has arrived. Well, anyway, let's open this up. And first things first, this is the brand new incentive set, and this is called Blooming Butterfly, and this is absolutely gorgeous. I just love butterflies, and I love the florals on there. The script is great. It says, with sympathy, thinking of you, sending love, and so sorry. And I love that. Anyway. Gina was having a Black Friday sale when this was released, and as part of that, everybody who made a purchase got a free gift, which is a Gina K tidy towel. So that's exciting. So I do have the kit, and I have a couple other additional items so we can go through. I don't have everything. But I did get a couple extra things, and there were so many great releases from all the designers this month, and I'll go through the ones that I picked up. And as always, the packaging is top notch. I will link everything that I showed today in the description box. And I do have affiliate links, which means that if you click on the link and make a purchase, I might make a small commission at no extra charge to you. And I greatly appreciate you shopping through my links and supporting my channel. As far as the kit goes, this kit and everything inside is only available at Gina K Designs currently. The rest of the release you can purchase at other online retailers, but the kit for the first month or so when this is out, you can only purchase that at Gina K. Once there is the next release, then they will break up this entire kit and you can purchase each thing individually. So if there's something in here that you really like and you don't need the whole kit, you can wait till the next month, and then that is broken up and sold at other online retailers. Also, the incentive set is only available at Gina K's website, and this is if you make a purchase of $75 or more in product, and then you get this for free. I do love, you can purchase the coordinating die to the incentive set. So in this case, I do have the die set for this, and I cannot wait to make a card with this. It's so beautiful. So that's the incentive, and you can get the add-on die for that. Let's see. This one is called Secret Garden. Let me take it out, maybe there'll be less glare. And it does have, you can get the stamp set by itself, or you can get it in a bundle with the dies. And this one is so pretty. So you have the garden door, and you can make it plain or wood grain. And then you even have the door hinges. And these florals are gorgeous. And I think it was Melanie's, no, not Melanie. Sometimes we put that in the back, who is the designer. I can't think of it off the top of my head. I'll have to look it up. Brains not working today. Anyway, oh, Lisa Hetrick, I think. But anyway, it was designed, these arches will fit right over this gate. And so this could be either a door or a gate or whatever you want it to be. This is kind of a floral sentiments. Let love grow, wishing you every happiness, and flowers are the music of the earth. So that is really sweet. And it does have a keyhole too, just so cute. Oh, my kitty is joining us, I guess. Hey, Cookie. Oh, she wants to say hello. But there's a heart where the doorknob is, so that is so sweet. These are great little flowers. And these flowers would actually be awesome in the wreath builder as well. So whenever you have, little stamps, you can be thinking through your head, oh, would this be good in the wreath builder? And these definitely would. Hello, Cookie. She's saying hello. She's quite a talker. Alright, this one is called Blossoms in Bloom. And this is a background stamp. And it is gorgeous, this floral on here. A lot of different techniques you could do on this. You could use watercolor pencils with a water pen and fill these all in. You could use markers. A lot of different options. You could even emboss this and then do like an ink smushing, or do like the powdered, like the mica powders, and then have that on there with the color. That would be amazing. So this is really pretty. The Blossoms in Bloom background stamp. Alright, we have our free gift. And this is giving you a hint of what's in here. These are the Poly-Glaze sheets that match with the stamp set in here, which is called Delicate Dahlias. And look at, they have the whole sheet back here of the sentiments, and the font on here is fabulous. These are great. Alright, let's see what's in here. Okay, so this kit for this month is called You Are So Loved, and I just love that. It includes the You Are So Loved stamp set, You Are So Loved die set, Delicate Dahlias stamp set, Delicate Dahlias die set, Delicate Dahlias coloring stencils, and the Dazzling Dahlia layering stencil. So you get a lot of options here. Alright, let's take these out. Let's see what's going on. Alright. The first one is the You Are So Loved. And this is a stamp and die set. And you do get a die for all of the images. Let me put this back on here. So these are just, oh, such good, just little images and sentiments to show someone that you love them. Oh, this is great. You have like a little word bubble, a heart, hearts in the jar, the coffee, teacup, cupcake, a bow and arrow. Look at this little cat with the heart. That's so cute. And I love this mouse. Oh my goodness. There's also the postage. This is 3 cents, 14 cents. You're my BFF. 1 + 1 = love. So you could actually use these teeny beanie ones if you had the postage set, and you could use them on there. A lot of little cute ones. 25 cents. I love you. Be mine. So this would be good for making Valentine's Day cards. And then these hands with the hearts. It does have a whole die for that, and they are all together on that. So this is just so cute. I love it. I love this You Are So Loved. Alright, I'm going to pull this back out because I'm going to need that. Alright, the second one is called Delicate Dahlias. This is a gorgeous floral. And it has all the dies to go with that, including the sentiments. Let's see. Oh, I love the font on this. Warm wishes, hello, sending loves, you're in my thoughts with sympathy, to you and yours, sweet friend, on your birthday. So you have a lot of really nice sentiments in there. And again, this font is fabulous. So we have all these florals and leaves. They're so pretty. So to go with that, this is the images that are all in here on the stamp set, are all in the Poly-Glaze. And let's see, so we have the Delicate Dahlias. And this is a coloring stencil for these florals. And there's 2 of them. Just trying to see where the okay. And this one actually, it has all of the foliage all together, so that's nice. And it has the leaves and the stem, and then this one is for all the florals. So, and these are the same size, so you can just use them to color these in. And you could actually color these and cut these out, and then you could put them on top of here for added dimension. So that would be pretty cool. You can also use these stencils with these Poly-Glaze sheets. So what you would do is you would, you know, if you want this image, just you'd cut this out, use your foil, run it through a fuse machine, ink machine, you can do a laminator, and then take the foil off, and then you can use these stencils to color these images. So then you'd have foiling and stenciled color on there, which would be pretty awesome. Alright, and then we have the Dazzling Dahlia, and this is a layering stencil set of a dahlia. I don't know if you can, I'm gonna try to tilt it like that so maybe you can see all the layers looking all the way through, but you have a couple layers for the flower, and you have a couple layers for the leaves, so you get a detail layer for each of those. Let's see if we can find on the cover sheet. So this is what this ends up looking like, which is very, very beautiful. Okay, so to review, again, the kit is only available at Gina K Designs currently. At the next release, this will all be broken up, so you could get this stamp set by itself, or this stamp set, or the stencil, or the layering stencil, you know, whatever you want. Or you can get the kit, and it's a great value altogether. So we have this Dazzling Dahlia, which is this, and we have the Delicate Dahlias coloring stencil, which is this. We have the Delicate Dahlias stamp and die set together. We have the You Are So Love stamp and die together. So this is the kit. This is a great value, especially since you get the dies in there with that, and all the stencils and everything. This is the free gift for Black Friday. Here's the matching Poly-Glaze, the Blossoms in Bloom background stamp, and the Secret Garden with this stamps and dies. And then here is the incentive stamp, and I did get the coordinating die for that. And there are a whole host of other stamp and die sets that were in this release from the other designers and from Gina. So be sure to go to the website and check it out and see if there's anything else that you would like there. So I think that's it. Again, everything will be broken up next month. and the kit is at Gina K Designs, and the additional pieces are available there and also at other online retailers. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. If you could take a minute to click that button and help me grow my channel, I would really appreciate it. Until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have a great day. Bye-bye.